So, good day, guys. Now, let's answer these five questions. What is eloquent ORM in Laravel and how does it simplify the database instruction? Then, how does Laravel handle HTTP requests and define routes? Then, explain the routes. The role of plate, templating, engine in Laravel. What are the security features provided by Laravel? And how does Laravel support task scheduling? So first, answering natin to what is Eloquent ORM in Laravel and how does it simplifies database. So Eloquent is Laravel built in ORM object relational mapper that allows you to interact with your database using PHP classes, models, and instead of raw SQL, it simplified code operation with expressive syntax. Then number two, how does Laravel handle HTTP requirements and define routes? So handling HTTP and routes, Laravel use routes defines in routers and the routes slash web.php or routes slash API.php to map your URLs to controls or closure. The HTTP request will match to a route and the corresponding logic is execute, executed or execute. So next is explaining the role of blade templating engine in Laravel. So blade templating engine, blade Blade is Laravel's simplest yet powerful templating engine. It allows embedding PHP code in Vue using a clean syntax like at if or at for each, etc. and support templating inheritance. Then number four, what is the security features providing by Laravel? So Laravel provides CSRF protection, input validation, password hashing, and ano pa ba, routes middleware of ano, authentication, authorization, and protection against SQL injections and XSS. Then, last is, how does Laravel support task scheduling? So Laravel has built-in scheduler that let you define schedule tasks in the app console or kernel.php while using fluent syntax, replacing the need for separation from entires. So, yun lang din. Thank you.